Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik live classes. So today in this class we are going to discuss about how to install a Python in Windows operating system and uh, what type of programming language is Python. So by the end of this class you are able to learn about how to install a Python in Windows operating system and what type of language is Python? Without any further delay, let's start our today's session. Before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. In the last class, we have discussed about introduction to Python language. Who invented Guido van Rossum and introduced in 1989, available to public from 1991. The origin of Python is ABC scripting language and C language. And why we are choosing Python among all other languages are because Python supports these many technologies. Not only these technologies, but also some more technologies we have. But majorly, most of them using Python for these many technologies like data analytics, automation testing, web applications, DevOps, AWS, gaming applications, data science, and artificial intelligence. Okay. So, is coming to our today's session. Uh, Now we need to understand how to install Python on Windows operating system. So here, the first step is to yeah. First, the prerequisites for installing Python on Windows operating system is first, it has some administrative privileges, but it is not mandatory. Almost every system will support those administrative privileges, so we don't want to concentrate on that administrative privileges. So, and the next prerequisite is we must have some internet connection, and we have to download the Python installer from first we need to go for Google and search Python download. Okay, from that it will show you first link to download a Python. Then we need to click on the download option. Okay, then it will redirect to Python's official website. Okay, so first of all, okay, let's give you a minute. It will open. Yeah, Python download. We need to search like Python download. Then it will show the link from their official website. Okay, now click on this Python download option. Then it will direct to the Python official website, and it will show the current version of Python. Then we need to click on that. Then it will automatically start downloading. Since I have already installed the Python, so I'm not installing now, but I will show you the steps. Here I had maintained some had prepared some steps to install the Python. Okay, next we have to choose whether it has to install on 32-bit or 64-bit. Most of them are using 64-bit only. So you have to choose 64-bit. For understanding that whether you are using 32-bit system or 64-bit, you need to go for system properties, then it will show. Okay, then after that we have to uh, double click on the .exe file. Okay, for suppose it will look like this. Hence we are using 3.13.2 version, right now. The current version of Python is 3.13.2. So we have to click on that .exe file, then it will start installing, and we have to check the boxes here. Use admin privileges when installing, and add python.exe to path. Then optional features, we need to click on these features, then we have to click on next. uh, then it will show some advanced options. From advanced options, we need to select these three: associate files with Python, create shortcut for install Python, and add Python to environment variables. Then click on install. Then it will show a pop-up like a setup was successful, then close it. And for checking the whether Python is properly installed or not, then we need to go for Windows, and go for command prompt, then search like a Python hyphen version. If the Python is installed, then it will show the current version of Python. Otherwise, it won't show like that. And then you can also double check whether the Python is installed or not by opening IDLE. We have to open that IDLE from your start menu by typing IDLE. See here, what is IDLE means? It's an integrated development learning environment. It is the one of the environment for Python users to write a small single line or double line programs, and it is used for mostly learning purpose. But if you want to write more scripting or more lines for in programming, then you have to use PyCharm. Okay, then um, then you can start writing programs in Python. Okay, and now we have learned about how to install Python on Windows operating system. Now our second topic is, our today's second topic is, what type of programming language is Python. Okay, and here uh, I'm also mentioning that if you learn only Python, uh, if you then you need to uh, learn some any other language also. Language not only language, it may be every other skills with Python, then only you will get a job, and uh, your resume will be shortlisted very quickly. Or if you only align with Python, of course you may get chances, but less chances you will get. Okay, you can learn Python with SQL, you can learn Python with Linux, and you can learn Python with Django and DevOps Cloud, whatever language or whatever skills we are interested in. Then you can learn other skills also with the Python. Okay, in our institute, I am teaching Python for automation testing and SQL, Linux, API testing, manual testing. Okay, SQL, Linux, and all. Okay, uh, next, in our upcoming sessions, I'm going to specify. I will mention the skill set, and job opportunities for those skill sets. Like if you learn Python and SQL, what what kind of jobs you may get. And if you learn Python with Linux, what kind of jobs you may get. If you learn Python with Django, what kind of job opportunity you may get. So I will mention those, and I will explain those uh, skill set and their associated job opportunities in our upcoming sessions. So okay, coming to our topic. So here we are going to learn about what type of, give me a minute, what type of programming language is Python. What type of programming language is Python? So in our we are having different kinds of languages, and their features and their supporting roles are different. So we are having different kind of languages, and those will support some of the, I mean, some of the scripting or programming languages will support oops concepts. Oops concepts, and some of them are procedural oriented. Procedural oriented language, and some of them are scripting languages. Some of them will support scripting language, and some of them are called as modularity programming language. Modularity programming, modularity programming language. Okay, so here what is this oops and what is procedure oriented, what is scripting, we are going to learn each one. Okay, so as of now I will show you what is oops and what is procedure or scripting languages. For modularity programming language, I will tell about this modularity programming language in our upcoming sessions. Now we are uh, we are in introduction part of Python, right? So we don't need to go in depth as of now. We need some basic knowledge about Python. That's it for initial classes. Later you will go for advanced also. These are the basic classes. First we need to finish. So here, if in order to understand that, now I am going to write a program, a small program. So here I had already written. Okay, so here just take, here I had sn two numbers, so 200 and 300. So 200 will store in a variable, and a and b are variables here. Guys, don't need, no need to panic about this programming language. I will tell about this in our upcoming sessions. For understanding purpose only, for understanding the difference between object oriented and procedure oriented only, I am showing this code. Okay, later I will tell in depth, okay, about this. Okay, so here 200 I have assigned to a, and 300 we have assigned to b, and now I want to print this a plus b. So for that I am going to run the program. Okay, so the output is 500, is correct only, right? Okay, this is a normal programming, This is an normal program. Now uh, I want to run this program and we will get the same kind of output. Okay, we will get the same kind of output, but by using object oriented. Object oriented means we have to use class. What is class? Class is an uh, blueprint of creating an object. Okay, so just for understanding purpose, I am mentioning here class test. So here uh, I'm writing a small program. Sorry, def of f1 of. So here def means defining a function. Okay, I'm defining a function f1 and values are same, and print of sum is a plus b, and we need to write. So here t equal to test. See here, yeah, give me a minute. So here we have given first class here will comes in oops concepts. Okay, then I had defined a function. Def means defining a function, and here I am defining f1. Okay, and then I had given the same program only. Previously also we got 500 and now also we got 500. Okay, just remember guys. uh, and now I want to do the same program by without having this class. Okay, without having class. So here, here I'm writing the same program only. So here same program only, but and we are also got a same output only. Okay, we got same output only. So here with the I have written the program with the class. Here we have written I have written the program without class. Okay, and the way of syntax and the way of program is different, but the output is same only. So now I want to print. I want to simplify this program. Okay, I want to simplify this program. So here, now let's see. See, now also we got the same output only, 500 only. So, but program is very simplified here. Here, first we have written with class. Now here we have reduced the class, but we have used function. That is define a function. We have defined f1. Now we have also here we have I mean yeah, here we have reduced that function also, okay, but we are using same a comma b equal to the same inputs, and we got same output, okay. So we can write the program with very simple lines only, okay, very few lines only, okay. So this is the difference between the scripting and object oriented and function oriented languages. This is function oriented, this is object oriented, this is a normal scripting program, okay. These are the differences between oops and oops means we are using class, procedure oriented and scripting means we are using this program, okay, these programs, okay. Okay, so I hope this video, I mean this class is very helpful for you. If you want latest updates from our institute, then please do subscribe for uh, our channel, and if you like our content, please comment for content, and if you like our class, hit the like button, and you can help others who are struggling to start their career in IIT by sharing this video in your social media networks. uh, Thanks for watching.